Welcome to Machina Pack. I'm Kai and I'm very happy to be back with you guys today. Before watching, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest videos. With more and more states legalizing marijuana, the cannabis industry will be of great interest to the public. Considering that the cannabis industry is still in its infancy, using the right cannabis packaging for such commercial activities is a daunting task. But with the latest innovations in comprehensive manufacturing processes, it's not that difficult anymore to choose the best equipment which is effective, efficient, cost-friendly, time-saving and reasonably priced. Depending on the requirements, it can be simply and straightforward. Being in the cannabis business can be stressful because flowers and buds can be difficult to handle, especially hybrid strains. So in this video I'm gonna explain you 3 things that are important when you're choosing your packaging machines. So let's talk about the first thing, distinguishing business needs. The first important thing is determining the needs of the business, and you may face sort of problems like what kind of cannabis packaging should be utilized, how much is needed per month, and how much weight should every packaging have. Don't worry, let me tell you. We can understand the capacity of the package, the size, and how cost effective it is. Chances are things will become positive. By knowing the answers to these key questions, many aspects of the business can be streamlined. Considering package weight estimates is also crucial to ensure that the customers receive a satisfactory standard weight. So try to keep a few weight categories so that they're easier to manage and to handle. Smaller quantities are simple and can be handled in a straightforward way. Questionable weights, cannabis packaging for those weights can be very expensive, so that's not a smart investment. The next step is to evaluate your equipment options. You can check out how other suppliers are using business ideas to help them grow and expand. And depending on the region, you have to make sure the local rules are met. Accordingly, such a high level of variation is evident. It is a good idea to gain further insight from suppliers as to what to expect and how to do it by asking these key questions. Production capabilities. Do their machines help weigh or sort and fill cannabis packaging? Or do they only perform specific functions such as filling and sealing? If so, ask how fast their packaging capacity is and what the output is. Also, automated machines can be very effective but challenging in terms of small package sizes, understanding their weight range, frequency of demand, and how they handle underweight, and the expected percentage of monthly sales by product weight. These are just some ideas that you can ask when you're visiting your suppliers. Accuracy is the most important thing for packaging machines. Depending how it is packaged, the machine must minimize weight calculation errors in a precise manner. Many cannabis packaging machines help save money through highly accurate and controlled packaging features. Just set a target weight range and the machine will not escalate and stay within that range. Rapidity. Machines are reliable and fast, so using them for their swiftness is a great idea for your business. You must know how many packages they can produce at a specific time with different weights. Usually 3 to 5 gram packages are used. Without miscalculating or giving up weight, inaccuracy is reduced, and if the output is sufficient, it's bound to play well for efficient cannabis packaging. Number 3. The last thing is putting your plan into action. Once the proper research and studies have been completed to gain insight and advanced knowledge of cannabis packaging solutions, the efficient operation of a small package can be achieved. When a system is set up and the machine is operational, you must be the first to witness its startup and procedures. Observe the package and weigh it to remove any doubts. By personally inspecting and witnessing the work for the first time, any non-obvious areas or reservations can be addressed. And that's the end of this video. If you got any interest to know more about cannabis packaging machines, check out our website, contact us, and we'll help you. I'm Kai from Machina. See you next time.